Grande. Hi everyone, the word of the day is grande. Grande. This word has quite a few meanings, but the most important ones are big, large, tall, or old. Grande works with feminine and masculine nouns. The plural form is grandes. Grandes. Now let's see a few examples. El helado es grande. El helado es grande. Quiero un café grande, por favor. Quiero un café grande, por favor. La talla de la camisa es grande. La talla de la camisa es grande. Ese hombre se ve grande. Ese hombre se ve grande. Cuando sea grande, quiero ser astronauta. Cuando sea grande, quiero ser astronauta. Mi abuela ya está grande. Mi abuela ya está grande. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Feel free to leave me more examples down below. I always love to read your comments. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!